Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing with you the master bedroom reveal for our Fita House project. We went for the coastal vibe, light and airy, everything beachy, very serene. I went for very comforting, laid back colors. So my anchoring color was white. I also brought in new light fixtures, both in the bathroom and the bedroom. I got this from Leroy Merlin, and then I brought in a new paint from Dulux, which is my favorite, white on white. I love the transformation that it brought. It's also easy to wipe, so you don't have to worry about that. This is how our space looked prior. We literally had everything closed out tight. The furniture pieces were dark, the carpets were old, and the headboard was also very dark. And so the brief was to open it up and make it feel larger than it actually looks. They had dark curtains, so I knew I had to replace that, and I also had to raise the curtains a little bit higher. And so this is our end product, a very light and airy room, a serene room that makes you feel calm, but that serves your day-to-day purposes. Like, we have ample storage in this wardrobe for the lady of the house use, and also there's room to grow if she needs to purchase more. And then even I replaced the hangers as well, and I purchased velvet hangers from Leroy Merlin, which are quite affordable. I'm going to leave in the description box below all the items that I used in this project. If you need to purchase those, you can just go to those stores. So now the shoes are the star of this closet because of the glass shelves that we installed there. So I went for a bespoke wardrobe. So I designed this from scratch and got it made out and fitted for the family, and they're quite happy, which makes me also very ecstatic. I left out some room at the top shelves for the change of season. They can just put their clothes that they're using for that season. I changed the door handles to match the bathroom. We also went with the matte black, so you'll see the combination of black and white here and there. Yeah, is just for that cohesive look from the master bedroom to the bathroom. This section, it's quite long, it's quite longer, very roomy, to allow for longer dresses and room for her to purchase even more items. We purged, we got rid of a lot of stuff that she did not need, and we donated as well. You will tell that the floors from the bathroom and the master bedroom very cohesive. In the bathroom it's actually ceramic, and in the bedroom it's laminate flooring, and I got both of those from Leroy Merlin as well. And then I also got this rug from them just to anchor the space. And then the rug also just gives us a bit of texture in a room that is very light and bright. We needed texture, and so the old carpets are gone, and the doors have been replaced, the wardrobe has been replaced. The light, natural light, reflects on all the glass, which even increases the effect of having that coastal vibe that I was going for in this space. I also brought that blanket so you can just sit on this bespoke bench. You can just cozy up after a long day, or sit there and dress up and put on your shoes before you start the day. And then I made some cushions for them, which we definitely need to cover those. I think at a later stage I might just come back and add more accessories, but as part of our services we do our concierge services. If you need us even after the project, we still come through and assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked the video and the changes that we made in the fitter house, and I would like to hear what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.